What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. So today is Venus Classic Day 2. So papunta tayo ngayon sa World Trade Center and meron tayong client na magkukumpete sa bagong category, which is yung fitness model category nila. So doon sa fitness model, meron silang 3 rounds. So first round, naka-trunks. Second round is naka-sportswear. Tapos yung third round is naka-suit or tuxedo. So ayun, let's go. So, nandito tayo sa venue, World Trade Center, kaso ay pa nila magpapasok. Show starts at 10 o'clock. Meron na tayong backstage pasok. Ito yung atin natin, si Jun. So, ayun. Let's go.
Gamble with your life. If you didn't know. You don't want no smoke, little type of shit that make you choke. This dope, but there's no coke, there's no weight, but these pounds would take weight off. Get you like.
Oh. Kaya mo itong hindi i-vacuum. Yan nakaganan, oo. Kasi parang nawawala yung meat eh. Ayan, mas maganda. Flex mo yung obliques. Okay, labas mo pa. Sige. Labas sa amin. Taas mo to. Eto, baba mo. So, eto dapat laging kamantay lang ng chest. Oo. Sige, baba mo lang kami. Oo, magpapam... Mas maganda talaga itong gamitin itong overnight tan kesa dun sa top coat. Natural lang yung kulay. Congrats, bro. So, ayun guys, nakauwi na ako ng bahay and we finished at second place. So, thank God na-execute naman namin ng tama yung game plan namin. And this is a very interesting category if mahilig ka sa modeling. Kaso medyo tricky nga siya when it comes to conditioning. Kasi ang hanap nila is hindi yung super dry and shredded kagaya sa men's physique or sa bodybuilding. Okay, kailangan lang is super lean ka and not to a point na sobrang baba ng body fat percentage mo. Okay, and sa size din, kailangan hindi ka super buff. So, I think doon kami natalo kasi medyo buff yung kinalabasan ng physique na pinresent namin. But overall, contented naman kami sa result. So, ayun, thank God. And thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. God bless.